Reporter Artemis Mushtagian finds out why the event is so important to the community.
City Yard Open House showcased the best of Torrance's service fleet to the city's littlest tykes. Tractors, trucks, and buses were the main attraction at this kid-studded event. Families from all over Torrance came out to learn about their city from the people who work behind the scenes in making their city work.
The open house covers all the things Public Works, Transit, all the different divisions out here in the yard participate in. We're showing off what we do and how we do it.
Torrance is one of the few remaining full-service cities left in the Los Angeles County. The city provides its own funding for city services and for programs like the City Yard Open House.
I've seen all the equipment, the trucks and all the equipment that they have over there in the back, and I couldn't believe all the equipment that Torrance has here.
The program celebrates its 15th year this year and aims to teach the community about vehicles used throughout the city and also wants to educate everyone on ways to recycle.
It's okay to put an old TV in the trash. True or false?
That's it? Anything else?
What do you think?
Kids participated in all sorts of city service-themed games and won fun prizes while learning about how Torrance works. They also got to climb onto some pretty cool city vehicles that were out on display.
Oh, they love it. They're so excited about all the cars, and even when we are home, when there's a siren outside, they go out and want to look out of the window just to see it, so they're very excited to see the live police cars and fire trucks.
And what did the kids have to say about the day's events?
I learned that big trucks can make big sounds.
For This Week in Torrance, I'm Artemis Mushtagian.
Cute kids. And